Well, it's a rainy morning in Santa Fe. Last night, let me just say, there was no prediction of rain whatsoever until literally we got close to where we were supposed to stay, and then so today we stayed in a hotel. We're starting our day. Gonna go grab some breakfast, and off we go to my favorite place in Santa Fe. Turkey bacon. I need something to eat. I'm hungry. And we're off. I did pick up some travel information just because you can never have enough travel information. And last time I was here, I misplaced most of my guides after coming home. One of my first YouTubes was about this place called Meow Wolf. Now the video, I'm not proud of this video. It was one of my first videos, so it absolutely did not do this place justice. So I had to come back and visit again. And so I'm about to go inside what I can only say is basically a free-for-all of fun and art. What better way to spend a kind of gloomy, rainy day in Santa Fe than inside playing? That's right, we're gonna go in and play. Okay, so we made it in, and this time it's a little bit different than the last time that I was here. They have these really cool enhancing glasses. Now what they do is whenever you're looking at the bright neons in some of the exhibits, it makes them look like they're 3D. So it's not just an experience where you come in and you get to look at it, it's kind of cool. It's really cool, and so they encourage you not to wear these the entire time, but I kind of want to, but I'm not going to. And I haven't even made it inside yet. This is just the hall that goes to the bathroom, and it's already cool! Okay, now we're going into this hall that has a short video that tells you a little bit about the exhibit itself, and then we get to go into the actual museum. It's pretty cool, but
most importantly, remember to watch your mind. No running. No gossip. No food. No wrestling. Please.
So we're inside, and we're going into the house. This exhibit is called the House of Eternal Return. And so you're supposed to solve a mystery as you walk around. There's clues everywhere. And basically this family just got sucked away. But where? We just walked in a refrigerator, y'all. We're going down in this crazy world. What's next? So in this section, you pick where you want to go, and then you follow out here to the portals. Each one of them are numbered. We picked portal number 4. So now we have to find the door to number 4. When you come through each portal, it takes you to this completely different world. Last time I was here, there was a fortune teller that was here, and they've done some changing around, so things are a little different now. It's really cool. When you pick one passage, it takes you to a completely different place. Look at this. We're going into the treehouse. Woo! There's so many places that you can climb around and crawl. You can have a seat, you can enjoy different views, and it's all part of a different story. So, it's all part of your fantasy now. We shall play the piano. And now we're gonna go through this door. What's behind the door? It's a whole nother room. We just went into a closet and there's this magic land in here with all of these little miniatures. And of course we put on the glasses because they're all this great bright color. Look at this. Figure out how to get down there because it's really cool. But before then, we're gonna go in this little room. In that room, you can play the lasers. So as you string your hands across them, it makes noise. The last time I was here, I don't remember this room at all. It's like it goes on forever and it looks like these huge infinity cakes. I don't know, it's just really neat. And there's the birds chirping. A lot going on in here. This is that really, really neat hall with all sorts of interesting things in it. Free video games! You can't beat free video games, and they have some cool ones, some really retro ones, and some ones I've never heard of. But we're back to move it around again. Let's see what we can find next. For this exhibit, I get to put my hands inside these really weird gloves and do something kind of cool. Ah! Look at this room. Now we have two options. We can either go in here or we can go what looks back into the house. Where will we come out? I don't know. Ooh, interesting. We're back in the house, and we're going down, 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 down. wanted to go back into the house, you can go in through the fireplace. That's right. But no, instead we're gonna play some dinosaur bones. Well, mammoth bones. Guess what, y'all?
Okay.
Somebody. Up the stairs we go. Yeah. It takes us back to where we were before. It's a maze. It's a maze. This is the weird hand room, and you can control some of the hands here by pushing buttons or moving little controllers. And then there's this guy. So much difference with the glasses. It's already three-dimensional, but it looks crazy. Only at Meow Wolf can you slide through a dryer into another dimension. Shall we? I think we shall. Let's get in. Next room. Did you ever watch Pee-wee's Playhouse and want Cherry? Ah! It's like Cherry. I love to pet things. This is a perfect place for me because I can touch pretty much everything here. I am winning today. Winning. Winning, winning, winning. Look at the back of my hair. Literally the third time I've been through that room. I'm lost. There's so much to see. So much. Finally found our way out. And it dumps you out into the gift shop. So now we gotta go look at all the cool stuff, and there's one more thing before we head out for this awesome day. And what over here? I got my postcard, Okay, so this is our last one. It's in the lobby. It's really cool, and look at it. The sun is bright after being in there. But that was Meow Wolf. It's one of my favorite places in Santa Fe to check out, and it's pretty cool. There's also some other stuff outside that they're just kind of neat. So, from Santa Fe, it's gotten bright. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, make sure you leave your thumbs up and hit the little subscribe button. And I'll see you guys later.